Hi, good morning. It's 10:51 a.m. Late kami ngayon dahil ang schedule ng ferry is 11 a.m. Kaya medyo late kami ngayon kasi yun na daw ang merong schedule na 6:45 but puno na, so ito yung nakuha namin kahit nabuktan namin to weeks ago pa. Kaya baka siguro arrive kami doon sa kabilang port mga 12 o'clock and then walk another 20 kilometers. But all in all, from here doon sa kasi Compostela de Santiago na yung pupuntahan namin, yung next destination namin is around 46 kilometers. Pero itong ferry from here to port, sa kabilang port, is around 27 kilometers. Pero mga 1 hour siya. But our walk is another 4 to 5 hours. But this is the last 20 kilometers that we're going to walk, and this is our 6th day. Kaya the next day, tomorrow, mas maikli na dahil nandun na kami sa Compostela de Santiago. So another day and then another pilgrims right here. There's so many pilgrims at the back, mga kasabay namin. So iba-ibang bansa sila galing. Meron din silang, may nakilala kami from Holland, Malaysia, also China, Taiwan, mga Asian, Germany, and Portugal also.
California.
Meron. And last night from California, USA. And marami iba-ibang nation na nagkakamino de Santiago. And we're from Philippines. Okay, let's go. Tatawid na kami doon. Kaso wala kaming selyo dito.
Diyan sa pier yata.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Dapat makakuha tayo biglang diyan sa sign. Let's see how many kilometers.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's take a picture right there.
Kasi baka alas 11 pang mag-ano. Hey, give me the paper. Where's the paper, Chad?
So, dun yung port.
Hello, good morning. So, we're leaving today the Villanueva de Arousa to go to Ponte Suceres and walk to Padron, where it is believed that Saint James preached there, and the legend says that his boat was docked there during when the disciples get his body in Jerusalem. So yeah. Wala pa tayo.
Hello. We're in Villa di Nova right now, or Villanova. I think it's Villanova, and we're gonna take a boat at 11:30 to another place, and we're going to walk around 20 kilometers. And today will be our last day of walking, around 20 kilometers. Since tomorrow we'll walk only 10 or 9 kilometers. Yeah.
So, ito na yung boat. Ready. So, maraming pasahero. So, doon kami sa taas kung pwede. I think pwede naman. Villanueva de Arousa Port.
Daft? Is that? You can use your folder.
Yes, we're now here in the boat.
Or farming.
we're going to Ponte Suceros to Padron today. So nandito kami ngayon sa boat traveling to Ponte Suceros. It will take around 1.5 hours and the distance around 27 kilometers by boat. And then we'll walk another 20 kilometers going to Tio, which is already the boundary of Santiago de Compostela. So this is the ocean or the path by water, which they believe that the remains of Saint James was transported by his disciples from Jerusalem when he was beheaded. So yeah. So may nagsasalita dito in Espanyol, but maybe they will translate it into English later on. So yeah, on this spot they said we will found 12 Station of the Cross or Via Crucis in honor of Saint James. So yeah, so let's see.
Hello. After more than an hour, siguro 1.5, nakadating kami dito sa Ponte Suceres. We're safe and okay naman yung biyahe. Stable yung boat. Dito kami sa nakadating na kami dito sa Ponte Suceres. So, pasensya na kayo sa mga pronunciation ko Papunta kami ngayon sa Padron. Siguro, let's go there first. Here. Let's wait for mommy here. So, Ponte Suceres. So, ang pronunciation ko ay Ponte Suceres. So, here.
So andito na kami sa Ponte Suceres, going to Padron. So the boat took us I think 1 hour and 45 minutes din, no? So ito, nasa Ponte Suceres kami. So yun, okay naman, smooth, hindi maalon yung pagsakay namin sa barko, tama lang din. At masaya dun sa taas kami, no? So may mga foreigners dun. I don't know if they're from Portugal or Spain din. Masaya sila. Kumanta rin sila ng religious song and their national anthem. And yeah, so we're going to walk to Padron. We will take our lunch there. And we need to visit the church in Padron, where and meron dong place na mountain kung saan sinasabing nag-preach si Saint James. So we hope we still have time. It's already 2 o'clock. See you. Hello guys. So, time check. It's 6 o'clock in the evening. You can see, still very sunny. 6 o'clock. Naglalakad pa kami and we still have 7.5 kilometers need to walk before we reach our accommodation in the outskirts of Santiago de Compostela.
City?
So, we'll stay in La Coruña or Tio, something like that.
Isn't it a city?
A town, yeah, just outskirt of Santiago the Compostela. So siguro mga more than 1 hour pa kami maglalakad. But malapit na rin 'yon. In Spain, siguro lumulubog ang araw mga before 10 o'clock and as you can see it's 6 o'clock in the evening. Very clear skies pa, blue skies. So yan. Okay, see you. Tomorrow is the day.
So, nagdala nga ako ng flashlight kasi baka abutin kami ng 7 o'clock. Pero, 7 o'clock eh. Parang alas 4, alas 5 pa lang sa Pilipinas or Hong Kong. Sobrang liwanag. Kaya, siguro, in case na pupunta kayo dito, and then naisip nyo na baka abutin kayo sa gabi, wag na lang kayo magdala ng flashlight dahil mas nakakadagdag ng weight sa bag, or kung gusto nyo talaga yung maliit lang para hindi masyadong mabigat, kasi mostly ang walk nyo kung alis kayo ng 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, mga 3 nandun na kayo sa destination nyo, or pag inabot kayo ng 6, 7, 8 maliwanag pa din, kaya okay lang, hindi kayo mangangapa sa dilim. Ayun lang. So we just keep going.
What's that? The oil. It's oil.
This water is oil. America will be calling us.
Breakfast, we don't have carbs. But you know the turong? So good. How come? It's so cheap. Yes. For 15. So you work right? That's 24. $24. For 15. Yeah. Good morning. So we're leaving Tio. Late na kaming dumating kagabi. At around 9:45. Pagod na sina Kambal. And tawag dito, medyo nagkaroon ng hiker's rush si Ivan, so nahirapan siya maglakad. So yun, hindi na kami nakapag-update kagabi. Dito kami tumuloy sa Tio. It's out of mga 500 meters away siya from the Camino path. So now we're going back and we'll start our walk to the last stage to Camino de Santiago. So I think it's around we still have from here Tio to the Camino around 1 kilometer, and then yung iniwanan naming mark yesterday was around 11 kilometers pa eh. So yan, bilisan siguro namin, so hopefully makaya namin siya, makaabot kami dun sa English Mass sa Camino Santiago. So see you guys. So last stage. Thank you Jesus, thank you St. James for guiding us.
Good morning. So nasabi nga ni Ivy, so this is our last day of our Camino de Santiago journey. Hindi na kami nakapag-vlog last night dahil almost 9:30 na kami nakadating sa accommodation namin, dahil nag-start kami ng around 2 o'clock. Kita nyo, sumakay kami ng ferry Kaya pagdating namin sa Puente Suceres is almost I think 2 o'clock and still walk 20 kilometers. And then nagpunta pa kami ng Padron to see what St. James place kung saan siya nag-preach. And then we get a certificate there as well. And then the last 30 minutes na walk namin kagabi, Ivan is really experience pain dun sa binti niya dahil na rin sa layo at nagkaroon siya ng hiker's rush. But sabi ko konti na lang at makakauwi na kami sa accommodation, kaya ayun, dahan-dahan kami naglakad. Then nakarating kami, sobrang pagod, nagpahinga lang and then shower then sleep. So again, this is our last day of the walk. Mas malapit na kami, around 10 to 11 kilometers. So just 2 hours walk. So very exciting. Haba na ng balbas ko. Bye Camino. Okay, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang itsura ng Santiago, kung ano yung makikita doon sa Santiago.
This is the last day of walking, and today is shorter than the others because today is only 11 kilometers. Because we're in the outskirts of Santiago, so it will not take us a lot of time, only about 2 hours. Yeah.
Hello! Andito na kami sa Miladoiro. So, huminto kami dito sa kapilya ni Santa Maria Magdalena. And meron ditong merong nakabantay dito, and she told us that Miladoiro means the view, and this is the first view that you can see the Cathedral of Santiago de Compostela. So, malapit na kami. 8 kilometers na lang. We'll be there. And we can't wait to reach our destination finally. So yan, we were able to pray again for our family and friends here in Capilla of the Santa Maria Magdalena. So konti na lang. See you.
Hello. Nandito na kami sa town ng Compostela de Santiago. Here. So around 12 o'clock PM. So mas madali na natapos namin to. Ang gagawin namin, pupunta muna siguro kami dun sa church, sa cathedral. Kasi maaga pa naman, kaya mag-iikot-ikot muna kami doon. So ang dami ng mga pilgrims dito na kasabay namin, kasi ito na yung destination talaga eh. Mga nakabike, but mostly mga naglalakad din. So yeah, we're already here. So see?
Oh, okay. After like about a whole week, we're finally here.
Yeah, so 1 week nandito na kami. Ay, Sa wakas, this is a once in a lifetime journey, especially sa mga bata na Chadenaiban. So we're really proud of them na natapos din nila yung lakad na 130 kilometers for 7 days. So many challenges, but we managed to conquer it dahil we motivate them, and also we tell them we need to walk to finish this, dahil kung hindi magtatagal lang kami sa daan. So they are really good, marami kaming nakakasabay na sinasabi they're really brave, they're strong, and some say muy bien. Really good. So we'll find some restaurant first for our lunch.
Hello! So, we reach Santiago de Compostela now. So, ang daming pilgrims, no? And looks like may festival. So, yan. Masaya kami at nakarating kami ligtas. Healthy naman, although may konting sakit. But it's still part of the walk, no? It's still part of the journey. So, yes, we completed it. Chadenaiban completed it. The family Logroño completed it. And we'll go later for the Pilgrim Mass. So, see you.
Hello. I just got my certificate. Everything here is in Latin, even my name. Instead of Chad, it's Siedam. Yeah, Siedam Lucam Logroño. Yeah.
Hi, so we got our certificate, 2 certificates showing that we completed the Camino, and also the certificate showing where we started and when how long it takes for us, the kilometers. So we started in Valencia Domingo, so it shows here that we completed a 125 kilometers. So yun, and all our names in the certificate is in Latin. So my name is Mariam Hederam Logroño. Come on. So, katatapos lang namin makinig ng Pilgrim Mass 7:30 PM. So, yun, maraming nagsimba, nag-take din kami ng Pumunta din kami dun sa tomb ni Saint James as well as dun sa likod. Parang yung sa Pilipinas din, di ba? Yung mga church dun, minsan para makita mo siya, para mahawakan mo, pupunta ka sa likod and then you can touch it. So same here, no? And nakita namin yung tomb ni Saint James. And we're blessed. We hear the mass. We were able to see him and give thanks sa journey namin. So iba-iba yung feeling, no? Kahit yung mga bata, iba yung pakiramdam nila, and they're looking forward to have another walk for Camino. So I hope yung mga bata, they learned something and merong na-plant sa puso nila sa walk na to ng aming family.